come on! I've got a passenger waiting! This is taking forever!
That new construction site is causing a big backup.
Poli, just a heads up. Traffic is heavy near the downtown site. Maybe swing by and make sure everyone stays patient.
Dispatch to Poli. We need assistance with traffic control on Main Street.
Roger that, Jin. I'm just a few blocks away.
On my way.
Stay put! It's not clear.
It looks clear to me. He's just being extra slow. That's it! I'm going! Oh, that line is long. I hope no one does anything. Oh, not done! Stop! Stop! Relax, relax. I see what I'm doing. Relax, relax. I see what I'm doing. Out of the way! Oh no! I'm stuck! Everyone stay back! The scene is not safe! Are you okay? You must not move. I didn't see him. A near collision has caused a new emergency. A dump truck is stuck, and he's destabilized a stack of heavy pipes. We need Roy and Helly immediately.
Poli, Roy, Helly, Amber. Dispatch to the downtown construction site. Unstable load.
Roy! On my way! I'll get an eye in the sky!
I'll be ready to check on everyone.
It's going to fall! Poli, I see it! That pipe is very unstable. Roy needs to hurry. I'm here! What's the plan? Roy, you need to secure that top pipe before we can even think about moving the truck. Roger. Deploying stabilizers. Little to the left, Roy. Easy. My, you're almost there. I've got it. Taking the weight. Now! Is secure. work, Roy! Now, let's get that truck out. Attached. Pulling on 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm free. Whew. Whew. Thank you, Roy.
You're okay, Cap. Just take some deep breaths. The danger is over. You're all clear, Dumpu.
함께.
Cap, do you understand what happened today? I was in a hurry. I thought the road was clear. I almost caused a terrible, terrible accident. You thought it was clear because you couldn't see the danger. But he could. That STOP sign and the Caucasian male holding it aren't there to make you late. They are there to keep you safe. They can that STOP sign and the Caucasian male holding it aren't there to make you late. They are there to keep you safe. They can see. Sir, I am so sorry. I put everyone in danger because I was impatient. It will never happen again. Thank you for trying to stop me. Just be safe. That's all that matters. Now, the road is clear. You can go slowly.
Wow, that was a close one. Good thing that flagger was paying attention.
He sure was, Helly. He's a true hero, too.
Great job, team. And good job, Mr. Flagger.
Always obey traffic flaggers. They can see dangers that you can't.
Thanks, Cap. That was a very relaxing, safe drive.
You're welcome. Being safe is better than being fast. That's the way, Cap. Remember, crew, patience is the fastest way to stay safe.